In this video, you will understand completely about pocket option OTC market. Most of the people ignore completely this OTC market, okay, and that is good thing, but it is also bad thing from one point of view, and you'll understand each and everything about this in this video. So watch this video very carefully. So let me explain you in a simple way, okay, what OTC market is. So if you click on this and go to currency and scroll below, now these are the market that is called real market, okay. That doesn't mean that these are the fake market, but it is a OTC market, also known as over the counter market, or you can call it offline market, or whatever you want to call it. These market are run when real market are not available technically, okay, but nowadays if real market is available, then also these OTC market are available, especially inside pocket option, okay. And there are lots of people who are trading on OTC market and making good amount of money for themselves, okay. And I also absolutely love this OTC market, but there are a few things that have happened recently, due to which I decided to make this video to give you this information so that you can take right and conscious decision while trading on OTC market, okay. So what is over the counter market? I have already explained you. It is the market where real market is not available and it is over the counter, okay. And now what usually happens in real market is this chart are formed, okay. In real market, the charts are formed by bringing the information from all over the world, okay. The same chart are forming all over the world in this particular currency pair. For example, in this AUDCF, if market is going up, then worldwidely this market will go up, okay. Not only in pocket option, but what happens in AUDCHF OTC is, let's say there is another platform, okay, that also have AUDCHF OTC, and their market may be falling down, and in pocket option that market may be going up, okay. That kind of condition you can see in the OTC market in two different platforms, because these OTC market are limited to a particular platform. For example, in our case, pocket option. So what happens is, according to the demand and supply inside this platform, okay, maybe that demand and supply are forming because of the two traders, okay, like you and me, okay. I am putting a call trade, you may be putting a higher trade, okay. That kind of demand and supply can alter the price, okay, up and down. Or what happens is, if there are no opposite trader, then this platform itself can be an opposite trader to me, okay, and price can go up and down in that condition, okay. Now you can create some strategy, okay, or you can watch and learn some strategy especially about OTC market that is working for you again and again, and use it for years and years and make good amount of money by trading a consistent amount, okay. But in real market, if you see, there are lots of factor involved, like worldwide people are creating that demand and supply, right? So even if you have the best strategy, then there are lots of chances that your strategy may fail and you may make loss. But in OTC market, if you have a strategy that's working for you, then that will work for so much long time, okay. Because this is a limited this market is formed with a limited stuffs, okay, like limited people, limited to the platform, okay. So it is not a worldwide thing. So that's, it is like playing a football match in World Cup, okay. In World Cup, in real world, sorry, in real market, if you trade on real market, then that means you are playing football in World Cup, okay. And if you are trading on OTC market, then you are playing football in your local community, okay. That kind of difference you will start to notice if you got a strategy, okay. And if you want that kind of strategy, then I have one strategy that have worked for me years, okay. And I even use that strategy to provide signals to my Telegram member. You can join that course if you want, okay. It is not necessary, but if you want to join, you can join. So in one way, you can ignore OTC market by saying it is an unreal market, on-live market, or it is a fake market. You can think that and completely ignore OTC market and go trade real market. That is a good thing, okay, not a bad thing. But if you need a strategy, proper strategy to defeat the real market to make money for yourself, okay, or what you can do is you can create your own strategy. You can learn your own strategy on free YouTube videos, or you can learn a strategy that is working for me for years and use that strategy to trade on OTC market, okay, and it will work for you consistently for a long time if you do good money management and trade for limited time, not like 50 trades a day, 60 trades a day, okay. If you do that, then you can keep on consistently making money on OTC market. Now, one problem that recently I faced, due to which I thought to make this video, is like I started a Telegram channel where I used to provide signals to VIP member, okay, who can get access to my VIP with some conditions, okay. And later I thought to change this signal model to copy trading, okay, because Pocket Option do provide these features of social trading where by using which you other people can directly copy your trade. Now what start to happen when my VIP members start to increase, then what happened, lots of people were entering in market at the same time at the same point, right? And now this exact strategy that I have been using for years to make good amount of money for myself inside Pocket Option, now that started to fail, and it failed for one day. Like I made 6 trade and 5 trade were gone wrong. Sometimes that happens, okay, that is not a problem. But again, after few days, same thing repeated, okay. Now I started to feel the doubt, like maybe there is something that is not good, okay, not going on good, and I stopped copy trading for a few days, okay, and I started to test my strategy again, again single-handedly, okay, no any copy trading, no one is entering the market, and again strategy starts to work, okay. And I even provided signal in my free Telegram channel, and that also did well. So I came to the conclusion, if you are doing copy trading in OTC market, then that is going to be a blunder mistake, okay. You should not do copy trading in OTC market, because you all will be entering in the same point. And before like 2-3 years, I was watching an interview of a binary platform provider. Then what he was telling was, so how do you guys make money? That question was made to him, and he told that, so we don't have anything with profit or loss, okay. Our system is set up in such a way that we make particular amount of money in a minute. Each minute we keep on making particular amount of money, and if we don't make that particular amount money, then the currency pair that are responsible for decreasing our profit will have their payout decreased, due to which people will not trade in that currency pair, meaning they have a clear system on per minute how much profit they can make, okay. And in the same way, my mind triggered, maybe this OTC market have also some algorithm when it finds out due to the point from due to the currency pair and the point from where they are suffering good amount of losses, they will start to tackle it down in some way, okay. I'll not call it manipulation, okay. This may be the algorithm or whatever it is, okay. But I came to the conclusion that that is a extremely bad idea to do copy trading inside OTC market. Yeah, in real market, if you have a working strategy, or if someone have a working strategy, then you can copy his trade, because they cannot, no one can do anything in the real market, okay. Wherever the market is going worldwidely, the market is going to that direction. But in OTC market, it is limited to platform. No any exchange are watching over this platform's OTC market, okay. So it is already in the control of the platform, but that doesn't mean the platform will do manipulation or that kind of stuff. But there are some rules that have been placed inside the platform, due to which the market will act according to their rule to make them profit, due to which the traders may suffer loss. So in case of copy trading, it is a big no-no. But if you do have a strategy that's working for you in OTC market, then just keep on trading with that strategy, that money management, and it will be absolutely good for you. So altogether, this much I wanted to show you in this video. If you want to learn some strategy, free strategy, you can watch other of my video, or if you want some free signals to trade binary options in pocket option, then do join my Telegram channel. Okay, so this much for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.